we'll solve the first equation for a, and then plug that in for a into the second equation. So solving this for a, got a equals, the term on the right here is summation axk+b-yk. We'll move the second term over, axk+b, and then we'll divide that by the coefficient of a, x²k, and then we'll plug this into a of the second equation. So that will give us xk and then a, so we'll plug all this in, axk+b-yk minus, and we'll bring this over, xk, that will be xk squared b over x squared k. So we did the first term, xk times a of all this plus mb equals summation yk. We'll multiply this term, both top and bottom, by the summation of x squared k, so that we'll have the same denominator going clear across on this side. So this times summation of x squared k, and then what we'll do is we'll multiply both sides by this so that this will cancel out. So this right term is xk squared. Next, we'll gather up all the b terms and put those on the left, and anything without a b term we'll leave on the right. So we'll leave this on the right. It's summation x squared summation yk, and let's see, this does not have a b in it, so we'll move that over to the right side, xk and the summation of xk yk, and then these two terms, we'll combine those and divide that. So let's see, that will be left with NB summation of xk squared minus this term here, xk squared, and there's b. Next, we're going to solve the second equation for b, and then plug that into the first equation. So to solve this for b, we'll have b equals the right side of yk, and then we'll move this term over, xk times a, and then all over n. Now we're going to plug b into the first equation. So we'll go ahead and write equation 1 as the summation of xk squared a plus the summation of xk times b. So that will be summation yk minus summation of xk quantity squared, right, a over n equals summation xk yk. Now we're going to multiply both sides of this, both top and bottom, by n, so that we'll have n clear across here on the denominator. So we'll put n there, and then we'll bring this n over here. So cross that out and have n right there. And then we'll go ahead and write this out for a. So a equals n summation xk yk, right, plus, I'm sorry, there's a negative summation xk yk over n summation xk squared, and where else do we have an a in here, minus summation xk quantity squared. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is our a and our b. Thank you for staying with me through all this. This is my first video, so any comments, feel free to let me know, and I'd be interested to hear any feedback. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.